एवरीवन, दिस इज विधि पोदार एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो आज हम देखेंगे कि कुछ डिफिकल्ट कैलकुलेशंस को इजी कैसे किया जाता है। सो लेट्स सी द फर्स्ट वन। इट सेज 4 बाय cos 68 डिग्री। सो अब अगर हम इसका वैल्यू 4 बाय cos 68 का वैल्यू होता है 2.670. So instead of substituting this and then doing certain this division, that is 4 is inside and then 2.670, this takes a lot of time. So instead of doing that, we can do one thing is we can write this as what? 4 into 1 by cos 68. And 1 by cos 68 का reciprocal क्या होता है? Sec 68. So we can write it as 4 into sec 68 degree. And sec 68 degree, we can directly check it from the Clerk's table. And then when you solve it properly, you get the value. So अगर हमें आंसर जल्दी लेके आना है एंड हमारा कैलकुलेशन इजी करना है, so in that case, instead of just dividing, taking such long division, we can go for one thing, that is we can multiply it with the reciprocal of it. Let's see the next thing. We need to follow this particular table which says कि अगर मेरा 1 by sin theta है तो वो cosec theta में change हो जाएगा. 1 by cos theta will be changing into sec theta. 1 by tan theta will be changing to cot theta and vice versa. Which means, like if the question says here 7 by sin 38. 7 by sin 38 can be written as 7 into 1 by sin 38 degrees. So which can be written as 7 into 1 by sin का reciprocal होता है cosec. So you can say cosec 38 degrees, and cosec 38 degrees nothing but 7 into 1.6235, which can be written as 11.3645. This becomes the final answer. And when you solve this question also, you get it as 7 divided by sin 38 is 0.6157, which ultimately after solving gives you 11.3645, which means both of them are same. But in order to solve the question fast and get the answer, you can always rely on this method, that is you can change the trigonometric thing into the reciprocal of it. Let's see this example. It's written as 1 by cos 72 degree, which can be written as 5 into 1 by cos 72 degrees, which is equal to 5 into sec 72 degrees. Again, substitute the value of sec 72 degree and you get the final answer. Similarly, if this is the question, you can write it as 12 into 1 by tan 42 degrees. It can be written as 12 into cot 42. Substitute the value of cot 42 and solve it. You get the final answer of it. Also remember that there might be questions where you get 4 by cot 42 degrees. So you can simply write it as 4 into tan 42 degree. So it's again the same thing, vice versa. 1 by cosec can be written as sine, 1 by sec can be written as cos, and 1 by cot can be written as tan. So this works for all the trigonometric ratios. Thank you for watching this video.